You're entering the Dream Portal, a space where we explore dreams, frequency, and the unseen worlds within you. What if dreams aren't random, but conversations you're having with yourself, the universe, and something much wiser than you? In this video, we're going to explore why we dream, the different kinds of dreams we have, how it reflects the energetic frequency you're on, and how they can actually help you enchant your waking life. We'll talk about psychic dreams, creative dreams, visitation dreams, and dreams that feel like we're traveling to other worlds. And by the end, you'll know how to work with your dreams instead of brushing them off. Hi, I'm Shakilia and welcome to Enchant Your Life. On this channel, we talk about consciousness, law of attraction, manifestation, tips, and just ways to live the most magical human experience that you can have. As you know, dreams are mysterious. They bend time. They don't always follow logic. They mix memory with symbolism and emotion with sensation. Some people dream in color. Some dream in black and white. Some people remember every detail of their dream, and some people wake up with nothing or just a feeling. But through my experience, here's what I've come to believe. Dreams are not meaningless. They are our mirrors. They can show what your inner world is processing, and a lot of times they show you what frequency you're on. Like, what are you tuned to? Think of your consciousness like a radio. There are infinite channels and stations playing all at once. But which one are you tuned to? Which one do you hear? So your waking life tunes the station and your dreams play back the signal for you. If you spend your days in worry, your dreams might amplify that for you. And if you spend your days expanded and open and just emotionally having a great time, your dreams might reflect that too. Dreams don't judge the frequency, they simply reveal it. And the beautiful part is you have the power to change the station. When I talk about you have the power to change your frequency, I'm not talking about pretending that everything is fine or forcing positivity. Your inner world is like a garden that you can tend to. For me, it starts with gratitude and prayer, which I do every morning when I wake up. I give thanks for life. And before bed as well. I give thanks for the day and I pray for, things being better, and I pray for a good night's sleep. Meditation helps as well, and I talk about meditation in other videos as well. Meditation helps clear the static, all that stuff that's going on in your mind, and it quiets your mind down, allowing you to be open to receiving more clarity and just more inspiration and being able to settle better into a good night's sleep. Another thing that helps to help you raise your frequency if you had a nightmare or you don't like the way your dreams have been going is music and singing and dancing and enjoying life. Just do things that are fun to you. Joy and lightness is a frequency too. If you don't take things too seriously, that can help you raise your frequency as well. And remember, at the end of the day, nothing is serious. Just remember that is a message that I did get from God, and I had a video about 4 messages that I got from God. I'm gonna link that in the description below. It's definitely a good video to watch to understand that although things may seem crazy and serious, at the end of the day, it's really not. And throughout the day, pay attention to what's bothering you and who's bothering you. Don't ignore it. Don't just brush it off. Pay attention and try to shift your perspective on it. Try to soften it. I even pray about it. Just knowing that my prayers are going to be answered. I'm going to get some type of clarity. And just know that the universe has your back. So I've had dreams where loved ones who passed away came to visit me, and those weren't vague symbolic dreams. Those were dreams that really felt like they were present and they were actually happy and whole and just letting me know that they're okay on the other side. There was also a dream that I had along those lines where I dreamt of someone who passed away, and that person in the dream telepathically gave me a message to give to someone that I knew who was living. And I had no idea what that message meant, but I did pass on the message. And when I did, the person who received the message was absolutely stunned and understood perfectly exactly what that message meant and was so happy to receive a message from the other side. And I don't usually have those types of dreams, but you can be like a medium in your dreams. Now, some people do not want to dream of any dead people. They don't want to see dead people. They're like, oh, absolutely not, girl. I do not want to see no ghosts, whether in real life or in my dreams. But let me tell you, these visitation dreams that I have, they don't feel scary at all. They feel very peaceful and reassuring, and they're completely positive, letting us know that everything is okay and everything will be okay. Some dreams aren't just metaphors or symbolism. Some of them are real meetings. I've also had dreams where music comes through. As you may know, I am the artist. I go by the name Kayla Moore as a singer-songwriter. And sometimes melodies come to me in my dreams and they're so beautiful and I've never heard them before. And what I do is a lot of times I take them and I feel the melody, I feel what the song may be about, and I create my own songs using some of those melodies. The song actually kind of tells me the mood and the frequency that it's on and what maybe it might be about. And one example is a song that I put out called Don't Wanna Fuss and Fight. And in my dream, I remember hearing hibba hobba hibba hobba hibba da ha did bada beat bada beat bada doo doo da 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 dee da doo doo. So let's go. And to me, that sounded like a country western vibe. It felt like something with love, or I don't know. And I went on, created this song. Go check it out on your favorite streaming platform. It's out now. Don't Wanna Fuss and Fight. Has a country vibe, and it's me singing about, a situation in love. So go ahead and check that out. But yeah, I say that to say that dreams can also be a place where creativity comes to you as well. So some dreams are symbolic, some are literal, some are both. But most of all, they ask you the same type of question. How did that feel to you? Dreams give you the opportunity to decide, do I want to continue that vibration in my waking life, or do I want to choose something different, to be on a different frequency? Awareness really is magic. Now, I do want to say this with care and respect. If you have any nightmares connected to trauma or PTSD, just know that it's okay to get help, professional help if needed. Spirituality and mental health coexist. Support is sacred, and you deserve to have a nervous system that feels safe. Just know that this channel supports you, and getting help is important, and it's not a failure. You're not broken. Your system is just communicating to you. And know that I understand. You're not alone. I've been there. So if you want to work with your dreams, start small. Get yourself like a journal that you can write your dreams as soon as you wake up, or you can use the recorder in your phone with voice notes. Record what you remember, what you saw, what you heard, all your senses, or even just what you felt, what it made you feel like, what frequency the dream was on. Over time, you might be seeing some patterns, and patterns are wisdom. Dreams are invitations. They enchant your life by showing you what's beneath the surface and what you can learn from them. Now, I want to be clear about something. I don't just believe these things because I've read about them somewhere. These are things that I have experienced personally for myself in the dream state. And I also believe in grounding, care, and discernment. So, mysticism with stability. When you live your day in conversation with the universe, your dreams continue that conversation at night. Your dreams aren't asking you to become someone else. They're just responding to the way you're living right now. Change the way you live during the day, and the night will answer differently. Tonight, before you sleep, ask your dreams a question. What are you trying to show me? I'd love to hear from you, so in the comments, let me know one dream that recently stood out for you and what you think it meant to you. If you like this conversation, go ahead and hit that like button. And if conversations like this resonate with you, be sure to subscribe so we can continue talking about things like this. And share with a friend who might be interested. I love you, sweet dreams, and happy traveling between worlds. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.